At Briar Cliff, I will graduate with an elementary education degree with a special education endorsement and a coaching endorsement. That'll allow me to get a job as a teacher, and specifically within a special education classroom. I've had super influential teachers and coaches throughout my education career, and I just really wanted to be able to do that for someone else. The aha moments that students have, I just think they're so great, because the students will be trying to figure out a problem and then they'll do it and they'll be like, oh my gosh, it's because of this. We talk a lot in our classes about always having a game plan, but a lot of times that game plan doesn't always work. So being able to realize the lesson might not work out completely as planned, but you got to be able to make sure the students learn it first, not just follow what your plan is. I'm Hohenstein, and this is my Cliff story.